Hello, Mintu. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Very good. Okay, let me just write the time quickly. Okay. When you're ready, you can tell me the first picture and the second picture. Can you see the picture, Mintu?
Yes.
Okay, when you're ready, you can tell me what is different.
In the first picture, there is a grandmother has a string short hair. But in the second picture, the grandmother has a curly hair.
Very good.
In the first picture, the baby is crying. But in the second picture, the baby is laughing.
Yes.
In the first picture, the boy, there is a boy is not wearing the cap. But in the second picture, the boy is wearing the cap. In the first picture, the grandfather is not wearing a rucksack. But in the second picture, the grandfather is wearing a rucksack.
And the camera.
In the first picture, there is one cloud. But in the second picture, there are two clouds. In the first picture, there is a big plane on the
Taking off. Taking off.
But in the second picture,
the big plane is landing.
The big plane is landing. In the first picture, the police
officer.
The police officer is wearing a green
uniform.
But in the second picture, the police officer is wearing a blue uniform. In the first picture is see the book. But in the second picture, the girl is reading the book.
Very good. What about the umbrella? Behind or in front of the police officer?
In the first picture, there is an umbrella is behind the police officer. But in the second picture, an umbrella is in front the police officer.
Very good. Okay, well done. Very good, Mintu. Let's carry on. Let's look at we have Robert's restaurant and Sarah's restaurant. Okay, I'm going to ask you questions first. Where is Robert's restaurant?
Robert's restaurant is opposite the police station.
Very good. And who does Robert go to the restaurant with?
Robert go to the restaurant with his parents.
What time does Robert go to the restaurant?
Robert go to the restaurant at 7:30.
How does Robert get to the restaurant? How does he go there?
Robert go to the restaurant by car.
What does Robert eat at the restaurant?
Robert eat chicken and chips at the restaurant.
Very good. Okay, now you can ask me about Sarah.
Where is Sarah's restaurant?
Sarah's restaurant is next to the fire station.
Who go with Sarah?
Goes. Who goes with Sarah to the restaurant? Sarah's friends go with her to the restaurant.
What time does Sarah restaurant eat?
What time does Sarah go to the restaurant? Sarah goes to the restaurant at 8:30.
How
does Sarah get to the restaurant?
Get to the restaurant.
Sarah goes to the restaurant by bus.
What is Sarah eat at the restaurant?
What does Sarah eat at the restaurant?
What does Sarah eat at the restaurant?
Sarah eats burger and salad at the restaurant. Okay, very good. Let's look at our story. Okay, I'm going to write with you. In the first picture,
there is the boy and the girl is
okay, let's say his sister are
in the living room.
Okay. Sitting in the living room. Okay, at a table.
At the table.
The boy
is do homework and his sister is drawing.
Very good. Okay, next.
Next,
the boy goes.
The boy is goes to watch TV.
And his sister.
His sister
draws on his
homework.
Okay, let's say draws flowers. Okay. Next.
Next, the girl is get the glue and
okay, you say, you spell it like that, but you say scissors. You don't say the C. Scissors. Okay, let's say from the top shelf. Okay, the boy is still
watch TV.
Okay.
Furthermore, the girl is catch the
girl
flower and
that she drew and sticks them on her picture. Okay, finally. The boy sees.
the boys see
Okay. That his homework has been cut out. He is
angry.
angry. The girl, okay, let's say his sister is very happy with her picture. Okay, let's read it, Mintu. Can read for me?
A boy and his sister are sitting in the living room at a table. The boy is doing his homework and his sister is drawing. The boy goes to watch TV and his sister draws flower on his homework. The girl goes to get some glue and scissors from the top shelf. The boy is still watching TV. The girls cut out the flowers that she drew and stick them on her pictures. Finally, the boy sees that his homework has been cut out. He is angry and his sister is very happy with her pictures.
Okay, good. Just want to fix that. Okay, very good. Well done. Let's move on. Okay, we're going to do some more speaking. Let's look at this picture. Okay, what can you see that's different, Mintu? You're doing very well today. I'm very happy with your speaking.
In the first picture, the man is wearing the red hat, is reading a news.
A newspaper.
A newspaper. But in the second picture, the man is wearing the red hat, is sleeping. In the first picture, there is a circle swimming pool. But in the second picture, there is a triangle swimming pool.
Good. Not a triangle, a rectangle.
A rectangle.
Sorry, Mintu, I just want to see. Hello, Huy.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, I just want to see if you are learning now.
Yes.
Give me 1 minute. Okay. Okay, Huy, you can tell me one thing that's different.
In the
Huy?
picture one,
Yeah, okay.
who in
In the first picture? Huy, can you tell me something?
the first picture. The pool have is a is a circle.
Yes, the pool is a circle, but in the second picture?
The second picture, the pool is a triangle.
A rectangle.
A rectangle.
Okay. Mintu, tell me something else.
In the first pictures, there are two ice cream on the ice cream shop. But in the second picture, there are three ice cream in the ice cream shop.
Very good. Huy?
In the first picture, the carpet have a camel.
I think it's a towel. Towel has a camel. But
In the second picture, the car have a spider.
Octopus.
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 Okay, good. Mintu?
In the first picture, the woman is wearing the sunglasses. But in the second picture, the woman is not wearing the sunglasses.
Well done. Huy?
In the first picture, in the small island.
Yes, on the small island.
On the small island, not have a tree. And in
there are no trees.
There are no trees. And
in the second picture?
Second picture, on the island. The island there are have trees.
Two trees. There are two trees.
Have two trees.
Okay, good. Mintu, tell me about the bike. Old and new.
In the first picture, the bike is old, but in the second picture, the bike is new.
I want to hear bike. Otherwise, I think you say boy. Bike. Okay, Huy, tell me something else. Tell me about the boy next to the man.
In the first picture, a man taking no.
He's holding
holding newspapers.
Okay.
And on the in a picture, in the second picture, the man is not holding a newspaper.
Okay. Mintu?
In the first picture, there is Iceland is not has a tree, but in the second picture, the Iceland has
trees. Two trees.
Tree.
Okay, when you say we say island, even though you write it. If you write it, you say it looks like ISLAND. When you talk, We say island. Okay, we don't say the S. Okay, Huy, tell me about tell me about this boy. In the first picture, the boy is shorter than the girl. In the second picture, the girl is shorter than the boy. Can you say for me?
In the first picture, the boy is short than sister, short than girl. And in the second picture, the boy is taller than girl.
Okay, good. Mintu, is there something else?
In the first picture, the the girl is tall, but in the second picture, the girl is short.
Okay. Look here. In front of the wall. Not on front. Let's see. I want to show you quickly. Okay. This side is left and this side is right. Okay, so in the first picture, the bird is on the left of the wall. But in the second picture, the bird is on the right of the wall. Can you say that for me, Huy?
In for the picture, the
The bird.
The bird is left of wall. And the second picture, the bird is right of wall.
Yes, thank you. Okay, is there anything else? What about the shells, Mintu?
In the first picture,
The shells.
there are 3 cells, but in the second picture, there are 2 cells.
Okay, let's move on. Okay, we have Katie's lesson and Michael's lesson. Okay, Mintu, you're going to ask the questions first. Hui, you're going to answer the questions.
What's the name of Katie's lesson?
What is Katie's teacher's name?
What is Katie's? What is
Katie's teacher's
Katie's name?
The teacher.
Katie's teacher is Mr.
The
Ho.
teacher name is Mr. Ho.
Okay.
Okay,
Mintu will ask again.
What?
No, wait, Hui. Mintu, you must watch the whole lesson. I want you to look all the time. I don't want to say your name every time you have to talk. Okay, Mintu?
What
Now you can say, okay.
Katie's favorite subject.
Okay, this is about Katie's lesson. So we can say, what subject does Mr. Hall teach? Say it, Mintu. What subject does Mr. Hall teach?
What subject does Mr. Hall teach?
Mr. Hall teaches Huy?
Like, yeah, like,
Mr. Hall teaches geography.
Mr. Howe is the
Teaches?
teaches geography.
Okay. Mintu.
How long does Mr. Ho
Oh,
teach?
okay, you can say now, how long is Katie's lesson?
How long is Katie's lesson?
Hui, we're waiting for you.
Um,
How long is Katie's lesson?
the Katie learn to a house.
Okay, Katie's lesson is 2 hours.
Listen to house.
Okay. Mintu.
What lesson does Katie study today?
On what day is Katie's lesson?
What day is Katie's lesson?
Katie's lesson is on Minhui.
The Katie
I want you to look at the lesson, even if you're not talking. You can put your camera on. Katie's lesson is on which day?
Katie is learn is learn on Wednesday.
Okay. Now, Mintu, what did Katie? What did Katie study today?
What does Katie study today?
Katie studied.
Today Katie is study math.
Okay, very good. Okay, Hui, you're going to ask the questions about Michael's lesson. I want you to talk together. I'm not going to say your name every time. You need to listen.
What Michael teacher name?
What are you looking at, Mintu?
Michael teacher name is Miss Green.
Mrs. Green.
Mrs. Green.
Next question, Hui. What subject does Mrs. Green teach? Hui? What subject?
What subject teacher Michael teacher teaches?
Teach.
Teach.
Now we wait for Min too.
Michael Mrs. Green is
Teachers.
teaches English.
Huy, how long is Michael's lesson?
How long?
How
how
long
long?
is Michael's lesson?
How long is Michael lesson?
Michael lesson. Miss Green is teach 1 hour.
Okay, you can say only Michael's lesson, that's fine. Michael's lesson is 1 hour. Okay, Huy, on what day
What
does
day does Michael lesson?
Michael have a lesson?
Michael have a lesson.
Michael learns this lesson on Tuesday.
Okay. Min Huy, what did
What
Michael
the day Michael study
today?
today?
Michael's studying spelling today.
Okay. Now we're going to do the story. Okay, picture 1, Min Huy, what can you see?
In picture 1,
Okay, let's say the mother is leaving the house. Okay,
and
2 girls are
play games.
baking biscuits or cakes. Okay, let's see, is it, I think it's cupcakes. The cupcakes is a small cake. Okay, their little brother is
Play
playing,
toys.
yes, with his cars. Okay, good. Min too?
Then the girl is they take the cake
Out of the oven.
oven.
Okay. The little boy
is
comes to
look at them.
okay, they are all very happy. Next, Min Huy, the 2 girls
The 2 girls go and play a game.
okay, computer games.
And
But the little
boy, no, a little boy is all the cupcakes.
very good. let's say in the kitchen. Oops. Okay. Mintu.
The two girls see that the cupcakes are gone. They are very angry.
Okay. They are very angry because
their brother is it.
okay, all of them. Okay, Minh Huy.
Finally, their their mother come home and she is holding a cake.
Okay, they
And
are
very happy.
happy again. Okay. Okay, well done, boys. Very nice. Okay. Mintu, you're going to read it first?
The mother is leaving the house. The two girls are baking cupcakes. The little boy is playing with his cars. They take the cupcake out of the oven. The little boy comes to look at them. They are very happy. The two girls go and play computer games, but the little boy is the cupcake in the kitchen. The two girls see that the cupcakes are gone. They are very angry because their brother ate of them. Finally, their mother comes home. She holding a cake. They are happy again.
They are all happy again. Okay, let me just fix this. Okay, Minh Huy, can you read it for me?
The mother is leaving the house. The two girls are baking a cupcake. Their little boy is playing with his car. They take the cupcakes out of the oven. The little boys come to look at them. They are very happy. The children go and play computer game. But the little boy is all the cupcake in the kitchen. The children see that all the cupcakes are gone. They are very hungry because their brother ate all of them. Finally, their mother comes home. She is holding a cake. They are happy again.
Okay, very good. Well done. Okay, now I want to go back. Mintu, can you tell me this story?
Firstly, that is a boy and his sister is sitting on the chair in the living room. The boy is do homework and
Doing.
his sister is drawing. Then the boy is goes to watch TV, and the girl is drawing on his homework. Then the girl is get the sister and glue on top
Shelf.
on top shelf. Furthermore, The girl is cut the flower and stick in her picture.
Stick them on her picture.
Stick them on her pictures. The boy is was still watching TV. Finally, the boy see his homework
Is cut out.
it cut out. He is very angry, and the girl is happy with her pictures.
Well done, Mintu. Good job. Well done. Okay, let's go back to our other story. Okay, Huy, can you tell me the story?
A mom is living a house and two girls baking a cupcake. And their brother playing with his car. The cupcake is
Come out of the oven.
Out of the oven. The children is very happy, and their brother is
Looks at them.
Look at them.
Then
And they are in two girls playing computer games, and the little boy is or a cake or a cupcake. Next, the two girl is very angry because the brother is eat all the cake.
yeah.
Finally, the mom is home and holding a case on a hand.
Holding
They
a
are
cake in her hand.
Mom is holding a cake on her mom.
They are all very
happy again.
yay. Well done, Minhui. Good job. Okay, both of you did well. We've got 5 minutes left. Let's go. We can do a few questions. Okay, I'm just going to ask you some questions. Let me just find them. No. Okay, 1 minute. There we go. Okay, let's talk about things you like doing. Mintu, what's your favorite subject at school?
My favorite subject at school is English.
Okay. Because
It helped me read English story and sing English song.
okay. Hui, who do you like playing with after school? Do you play with your friends or your brother or sister?
Yeah, I I go play with my friend.
Okay, what do you play? Some sport or ride your bike?
What?
What do you like to play? Do you play sport or do you ride your bike?
I like play. I like ride a bike.
Okay. Mintu, what shops do you like going to? Mintu, what shops do you like going to?
I like going to comic shop.
You like comic books? Yes, okay. Minhui, where do you like going on holiday? So do you like to go to the countryside or to the mountains or to the beach?
I like to go. I like going to a beach on my holiday.
Okay. And what do you do at the beach?
I swimming or build a castle and
Eat ice cream?
no swimming and build a castle.
Build sand castles. Okay. Okay, that sounds like fun. What about you, Mintu? Where do you like going on holiday?
I like go to the beach. And I go to my countryside. I go to the other countryside on the holiday.
Okay. Okay. Minhui, wait. Tell me what you like doing in the evenings. When you finish school and it's dark outside, what do you like to do to relax? Like watch TV, listen to music, play on the internet.
I listen to music and play game to relax.
Okay, okay. Mintu, what do you like doing in the evenings?
I like listen to music and watch TV in the evening.
Okay. Okay, we are finished for today. Well done, you guys. Happy? Yay. Okay, see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.